Hey everyone! Today we're exploring Groq's free API access, completely free to use. If you're searching for free AI APIs, this video is for you. Groq provides one of the most generous free API request limits, perfect for developers who want to build AI apps. So head over to Groq.com. Once you open it, you'll see the Docs option under the Developers menu. It will open the Groq documentation page. Here, you can see the rate limits option in the sidebar menu. Let's understand Groq's rate limits. Rate limits show how many requests or tokens you can use within a certain time. They're measured in a few ways. RPM means requests per minute. RPD means requests per day. TPM is tokens per minute. TPD is tokens per day. Groq provides some of the popular APIs like DeepSeek, Llama, OpenAI, Qwen 3, and finally, Whisper. Whisper is using for to convert audio into text. Basically, it takes your voice and turns it into words. Now you can check out the Llama API. It gives around 14.4 thousand requests per day. That's awesome, right? Totally free, and plenty for testing or building AI projects. Now you can see the DeepSeek API. It gives 1,000 requests per day. The Llama family APIs give 14.4 thousand requests per day. That's a huge amount for a free plan. Now check out the OpenAI GPT-OSS model. It also gives 1,000 requests per day, just like DeepSeek. Qwen 3 also gives 1,000 requests per day. But here's the main difference. It allows 60 requests per minute, while the others only allow 30. So it's twice as fast. Whisper gives 2,000 requests per day, so you can even build AI voice-related apps with it. That's pretty nice for a free plan. Groq provides a wide range of AI models, like text generation, speech-to-text, text-to-speech, vision models, and even reasoning models. Basically, everything you need to build smart AI-powered apps in one place. Now open the Groq Playground. Here, you can test all the APIs directly. It's the easiest way to try out different models before using them in your app. So, this is the API URL. Here, we can type the user input and the system input, and the AI will respond based on that. I'm going to ask for a Next.js 15 app router API code sample, and we'll see if it gives the latest version or not. Boom! It gives so many examples, like API routes, project layouts, and even a basic get method API call. There are also CRUD operation examples, which are awesome. And the best part, it even includes dynamic API route examples. Everything is based on the latest version, exactly what we asked for. This is the API route we'll use in our project. It's a post method, and we need to add our API key under the authorization option. We need to add these messages in the body, using JSON format. So, I'll copy the URL and open Postman. We can test the API outside the playground as well. Now, let's create the API key for usage. We'll need this key to make authorized requests to the Groq API. Click the button and enter a name for the key. Hit Submit. This is our API key, just copy it. Now, add this key in the Authorization tab. And choose the bearer option as well. Paste the key. Alright, now let's drop some messages in the body. This is where we tell the AI what to do. Click the Beautify option to format everything nicely. And make sure to remove the string true from the message. Now click the Send button. And boom, the AI returns the response. So we've used one request. That means we still have 999 left. If you want to integrate this API into your project, just click the Postman code option. From there, you'll get the JavaScript fetch code, or even Axios and other framework options too. Just copy-paste it in your app, it will work. Or if you want, you can use the Groq package directly in your JavaScript or Python project. Now click the menu option. Here, Groq provides some settings to customize your APIs, like temperature and max tokens. Temperature controls how creative or random the AI's response is. Lower values make the output more focused and consistent, while higher values make it more creative and unpredictable. And max tokens control the token limit for requests. We also have stream mode and JSON mode. JSON mode makes the AI return responses in JSON format, super useful for developers. And there's another cool feature called built-in tools, like browser search, which lets the AI search the web and give even better answers. And some advanced features also there like Top P. Top P controls how wide the AI's choice range is when generating text. Seed is used to make the AI's output consistent. If you want, you can also add MCP servers. That's a really nice feature for extending your setup. Groq provides really good documentation for AI API integration. Everything is clearly explained and easy to follow. Finally, we have the Whisper AI option for transcribing audio into text. Here, you can either record your voice directly or upload an existing audio file. I'm uploading a test.mp3 file here. And look at that, it gives the exact transcription of my audio, perfectly matching every word. Really impressive. Now, just click on the View Code button. It shows the complete sample code that you can use in your own projects. With this code, you can easily build your own voice AI-powered app. For example, you could add an audio recording option inside a chat app, where users can talk and get instant transcriptions. So that's it for this video. I think Groq is really helpful for developers who want to explore AI without spending any money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.